Aloha. You're watching F5 On Demand. I'm Technical Marketing Manager Peter Silva. We're here at the Moscone Center in San Francisco for Oracle OpenWorld 2012. We're in booth 1527. If you're in town, come on by. And we're real fortunate to have Dennis Zhou with us. He's the Manager of Product Development with F5. Thanks for joining us, Dennis.
Thank you for having me.
And so, one of the things from a marketing perspective, we talk about the integration with Oracle, and we show the two GUIs and how they're all integrated together. And I just thought it would be rather fascinating to talk with one of our product development managers to really get an idea on the back end exactly what goes into integrating BigIP with other solutions. And so first, what are some of the things you need to take into consideration when you integrate a BigIP with, say, Oracle Access Manager?
So we have a good touch with Oracle PD development team as well. We have meetings with them, understand fully their architecture, especially when they have this OEM 11G architecture. Then we provide the integration support and making efforts together based upon their ASDK. We have a solution that we can provide the WebGate functionality on the BigIP device as a policy enforcement point.
Right.
That way, the customer can virtualize the WebGate on the BigIP, so that will significantly reduce the management cost for the IT department. And also, it will provide a better performance.
And so when you're going through this integration, now we announced the integration about a year ago, and I know we've done a number of improvements over the last year. So say over the last year, do you guys meet on a weekly basis, monthly basis? Like, how does that usually go?
That is kind of on demand from time to time.
Okay. So it's like as needed is when you guys get together?
As needed, yeah.
And you were talking about an API earlier. So we actually do some code share, right, with each other to make sure that everything gets integrated properly?
Well, they provide some ASDK to us, and we do, underline, we do talk to them, trying to, let's say, if there are issues that need to be resolved, we do talk to them, let them understand our requirement, work together to make sure the API will fully work with the product.
And then, of course, if there's that, going through tests and those sorts of things, bugs or other anomalies, obviously then get handled amongst the relationship between the product development teams, right?
We're partners, so we have a process to file SRs and a process to handle those kind of issues, yeah.
Pretty interesting stuff. So just a little bit more about the integration and what really goes on behind the scenes. In fact, there's probably a lot more people involved in the back-end product development integration than there is, us on the front end promoting, we're integrated. I really appreciate you joining us today, Dennis. It's been real interesting chatting.
Thank you.
You want to say hi to any family or anything?
Hey, hi, everybody. Bye us.
And so for Dennis, let's give him a shaka. There we go. My good buddy Jonathan behind the lens. I'm Peter, reporting from San Francisco, and we're with F5 Networks. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.